Ew. Will you guys please stop farting? Oh, my bad, Sonic. It slipped. Bro. What? Guys, that doesn't matter. The only thing that does matter is that turn up your volume because I'm talking pretty quiet because I gotta give people they're quiet here. Alright guys, we're finally here at the firework place. It's a little bit over 6. It's not bad. I mean, it's only like a little bit over 6, you know. Yeah, a little bit over 6. Yeah, it's only a little bit over 6. Yeah, it's 6:30. It's 6:30. Yeah, I don't think anyone cares. Yeah, anyone doesn't care. It's getting darker, so now we probably just need to wait a little bit longer until it gets even darker, and then the fireworks will probably start. Yeah, man, guys, it's so nice to talk quiet just so no one will get interrupted or disturbed. Disturbed? It's disturbed. Oh, okay. Guys, do my eyes deceive me, or do I see something? What? Do you see a fury? Yeah, do you see a fury? No, Sonic and Tails, I see something else. Something way more scary. Oh my god. Is it a burnt chili dog? Is it burnt mint candy? No. Well, maybe to you, maybe to your opinion of disgusting. Burnt grapes? I would hope not. No, guys, it's actually Shadow. Shadow's here? Wait, he is? Where are the cameras, Knuckles? You're pulling a prank on me. I mean, Sonic. I'm not pulling a prank on you. Look. Yeah, right. Let me go look. Huh? Hey there, Shadow. What are you even doing here? To see the fireworks, idiot. Why? Because I want to. Why? Because I want to. Why? If you keep saying why, I'm gonna break your neck. Okay. Sonic, I want to enjoy the fireworks like everyone else here. Well, you want to join us? That's kind of gay, but what do you mean? Like right here, like you're literally standing like right there. So just sit here with us. Fine, I suppose. Also, I think that I saw like Silver and Blaze somewhere around here. Of course. Wait, Silver and Blaze are here? Yeah, of course. Like Silver and Blaze are like weird. I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. Like weird. Together? Yeah. I mean, of course they would come. Like Silver probably brought Blaze here. It's the place I used to take away. What? Talk about it. Alright. Oh god, it's Silver and Blaze. I'm so excited to see the fireworks, Sylvie. Yeah, please. What are you doing? I'm dancing. Oh, just doing dance moves for the balls. What? Reference to one of my videos. Yo, guys. Huh? Get over here. I guess I'll be over there. We're here. No, we're all together. I just wonder if anyone else is gonna come. Oh, did I miss the fireworks? No, but it's getting really dark. I'm kind of late, but the fireworks haven't even started yet. Hey there, Sonic. Did you come here not invite me? Oh, sorry, I forgot about you. You forgot about me? I have my hammer right here. Ow. There's way more where that came from, Sonic. So, can I stay? Yes. Okay. It's obviously gonna be so romantic. There's nothing like that. This is supposed to be a bro day. Okay. Make it into a bro day. And I break your brain in half. What? In half. Amy, you mess up a lot when you talk. Shut up. Guess who's here for the fireworks? Nucky. What's up, Nucky? Please shut up. Please do not do this in public. There's people walking around. Please don't. Fine. Rouge, what are you wearing? Oh, I'm wearing this cute little Pokemon outfit. Why? I don't know. Also, I custom made it because look, I made some little ear holes for my ears. Do I look good? Yeah. Nice. Ugh. What are you doing? Hit it, Daddy. You, what? Wow, so many people are coming. Yeah, even Rouge is here. I didn't know that all of us would want to see the fireworks. It's the 4th of July after all. Am I late? Yeah, but the fireworks haven't even started. You guys are here too? Yeah, we're all here. Why would we not be here? It's the 4th of July. Yeah, I realized that. But you didn't think you're all pal mighty. Sorry. Whatever. I'm gonna stand next to my buddy Tails. Nice. Okay, if anyone else is here, please show your face. Finally. But, Cream. Yeah? How long were you in the backpack for? As soon as I saw you wake up, and I wanted to stalk you. What? Yeah, so I wanted to see what you were doing. So I basically stalked you and I wanted to see what you were doing. And then I realized it was the 4th of July because you said it. And yeah, I realized that you were gonna see the fireworks here, so I decided to come. I stick in your backpack. Sorry. But what? Yeah, I wanted to. Screw you. But okay. Yeah. And geez, you are really lucky to be here right now because the fireworks haven't even started yet. It's getting dark, but the fireworks haven't even started yet. I even found this dark chow on the street. Chow. A dark chow? Yeah. Chow. You stay with me because, well, cheese is up my butt. Why is cheese up your butt? Well, basically I said, oh, it's time for this cheese to go up my butt because I wanted to know what it felt like to put cheese on my butt, and then cheese thought that I was talking about him, so he don't want my butt. What? Yeah, but he's probably gonna see like everything through my stomach. I'm scared for you. Cream, you have to go to the ER after today. Okay. Hey guys, are you guys enjoying yourself so far? And damn, look at the amount of people that came here. I'm here with Chaos, the god of of destruction. So you guys are gonna watch it with us? Yep. Oh, the fireworks are gonna start soon. I'm so excited. I'm just kidding. Let's go. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fun.
I have so much.
Oh guys, the fireworks are starting soon. Oh guys, number one. Oh, you heard that? Yeah, I heard it. Okay guys, now we're just gonna sit here and wait for the fireworks. Oh my god. Guys, keep listening. Because the fireworks are starting. I know they are. The fireworks are starting. Let's go.
There we go.
Come on, fireworks. Come on, fireworks. Fireworks. Come.
Wait for the explosion.
Oh my god. Come on. More. Guys, we need some more. More.
I'm fine.
Oh, I want more.
You want this blank because I didn't have.
Okay, guys, the fireworks are taking too long, so I'm just gonna speed up to when they start happening more. Oh, guys, they're starting to happen even more, and I got this little glow bracelet around my neck. But we only have 2, so I put one around tails and no more. Oh, okay, guys, there's even more coming. Let's go. This is so Sigma. Hey, please be quiet. I'm trying to enjoy my time here. If you keep talking, shut up, man. Ow! He dropped the other glow bracelet. You want it, Nux? Yeah. I have it on now. Hey! Fireworks. Let's begin. Some music. Some mics. Getting a little warmed up for the fireworks. It's getting darker. It's perfect. Let's go. Yo, it's getting darker. It's starting, guys. Let's go.
Come here.
Yo, what's happening? So skibbity. Dude, you can't even see me on the video. Like, you can only see like the little glow necklaces. Only me and the knuckles have one. Oh my god, guys, this is so cool. I'm so excited. You guys can literally only see my little glow bracelet or necklace because it fits like a necklace on our necks. Oh. Sonic, this is so romantic. Let me just sit right next to you. Now it's going on me. Ah! Oh, let me just kiss me. You guys can't even see what I'm doing with Sonic right now? Guys, it's so dark you can't even see what I'm doing with Sonic. Amy, don't grab that. Yo! Okay, let me screen a little bit brighter so you can see this. Oh my god. The fireworks. Let's begin. The poop house. Yeah. I literally made my screen like a lot brighter so you can see us better. The fireworks are gonna happen more. Come on. Hurry up.
Okay,
74. Please stop being rude, Amy. It's not for a minute, guys. What's going on? I don't even know, Faker. Oh my god, I'm literally having Metal Sonic, Obot, and Cubot like these fireworks. Wait a minute, I thought it was only for us. I kind of invited like 10,000 people. That's why there's a lot of cars. Yeah. Metal Sonic, shoot the firework! Yeah, Metal Sonic, I'm better than you! Yeah, Metal Sonic, light them, you idiot! Obot, Cubot, feel like more! Oh my god, that is so beautiful, I love my work! Oh, Obot, Cubot, and Metal Sonic really care! Oh my god, it's so beautiful! I'm just gonna record them because I'm weird. Oh, look at those. it's so nice. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh. Yo, my god, guys, look at that. My screen's dark as frick. Oh my god, it looks so nice. It feels so hot. Oh my god.
Yeah, sit back down quick.
You can see that, can you? Oh my god, it's so bright. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, it's so nice. Dude, this is insane. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You can barely even see me. Oh my god, I love my work. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's a miracle.
Yeah, watch.
It's a miracle.
Yeah, just watch.
It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Oh my god, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. Oh, they're so beautiful. I like to suck it. Knuckles, shut that up. You see? I said shut up. Oh. Oh, it's so amazing. It really is a... What do you do? Nothing. I haven't seen her since I was with Maria. This reminds me of her. This reminds me of that one time I was here with Maria. It was the exact spot. Me and Maria. Beautiful. Let me see this from Maria. At least Maria's in heaven, so you can see them now. Hope you can see this, Maria. This is amazing. Oh my god. Ah. Bruce, how do you like this? I love it a lot, Knuckles. There's even more! Whoa! This is so freaking cool!
Put that in your phone.
It's recording the firework.
Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh. I'm gonna fire exactly as it happens. No, because I'll do that. Oh, I got the gas went into the fire. Oh my god, that was my forecast. That's why it's red. It's blue. Oh my god, it's getting bigger. Whoa. Whoa. Amy, I'm sorry that I didn't really tell you about this. It's fine. Oh my god. Obviously, you can still see me, right? Yeah. Come on, more fireworks. More. This is just the beginning, guys. Oh, some music.
Maybe it's like halftime. Yeah, this is just what's happening.
There's gonna be more.
I'm gonna crush Knuckles' head.
Not the high beam, man.
I love this place.
But that's your extra fireworks, man. Have you ever wanted to make a firework in your
Tricks.
Yes.
You want even more?
Oh. Well, you, Liam, have you ever wanted to be an explosion radius?
If it was the end, then they would...
Okay.
Guns.
Hey, Cheese, how does this feel near my stomach?
I don't know why.
Maria. The fireworks stop. You know what, guys? I'm going to go over to Orbot, Cuba and Metal Sonic. I'm gonna beat them up. I'm gonna run up to them. I'm like, guys, why are you not doing this? I swear to God, I'm gonna run over there. I'm going to shoot a few people. I'm gonna run back there and I'm gonna see what's going on. Oh. Fireworks! Everyone's saying. Oh, about to Metal Sonic! You really at?
What?
Wait, is it gonna end? Yo, people are cheering it. Yeah, fireworks! Fireworks! Yes, fireworks! There has to be more! There has to be more! They're back! I think it's the grand finale, guys! Yo, I knew they would come back! Yay, it's not over!
Trust the Mallard, then Johnny.
Oh! Robin! It worked! It's happening! What did you do? Oh, I just took a gun and then I shot Orbat Cubot and Metal Sonic and then I put them into the firework. Wait guys. Alright guys, now the next one is gonna be Cubot. The next one is no, that wasn't Orbat, that's an Orbot. I put Orbat into a firework. This one's Cubot. This is the other part of Cubot. Oh my God, this is so hilarious. That was Metal Sonic. That was Metal Sonic. That's what they get when they stop the fireworks. They said they were bored of doing the stupid fireworks. I changed that. I for sure changed that. What? Wait, so you just killed your own robots just to do our fireworks? Yes, I want to be beautiful. You didn't give me cancer for nothing, Roland. Well, you know what? It is really beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. I know. Oh, I love this so much, Blazy. Sonic, get over here. It is nice, right? Yeah. You want in my hand? Yeah. I know where we park. Cheese, if you can hear me? In my stomach? This is amazing. Yo! That is the goat! The goat! Oh my God, it's so nice. Eggman, honestly, I never even cared about Orbat, Cubot, Metal Sonic. Oh, that's also part of Cubot. Oh. And that's even more of Orbot. That's even more of Metal Sonic and Cubot. Oh my God. That's even more of Metal Sonic. I mean Orbot. Okay, that's just normal fireworks now. Like, the whole time they were your robots? Yeah, I took other ones of my robots because they're stupid and ugly and I don't care about them. But I can just rebuild them and just give them the same memory card. Because I have like copies of the same memory cards of the other ones. Okay, that's pretty weird. And so nice though. Yo, it's getting crazy. Yo, look at all this. Oh. Maria wouldn't really like this. Shadow, if Maria's here, she'd be really happy. Yeah, she would. But she isn't. Shadow, are you crying? Yeah. Huh, it's fun. Okay. Just sit here with us. Do you think that I should be loved, you guys? I mean, yeah. I mean, like you were back before, but that was the wrong choice. Silver, I love you. Sylvie, I really, really love you. They took me to see these fireworks. I know, Blazy. You're so amazing. Blazy! I got you, baby. Oh my God. The fireworks. They've been going on for a super long time. Yeah. Sonic, the next time there's fireworks, you should take me to them. I believe you. Won't forget you. It's amazing. Yeah. Come on, the fireworks. More. I love this. So amazing. When does the great finale gonna happen? I don't know, Amy. A little longer than normal fireworks. About a few minutes later. Oh, the process is starting to speed up. Yeah, I like it. Speed up. Blew up. So nice. So nice. You're more beautiful than you were before. So nice.
Oh, the big one. I'm not sure the big one's now.
It's even more insane.
It's pretty big. That's a really big.
The big ones. Oh! Look how many there are! This is so nice. Wow. I'm gonna get my scare knuckles. Even though you're pretty annoying, you're not always annoying. Nice. Scary, scary. Oh, so amazing. It sure is. So amazing, Louise. Can you ask me to be stuck somewhere else? Wow. This is nice, Rouge. Maybe we should close our eyes, don't we? Sure thing, why? No, because why would you do that? I don't like it. Yeah. Hope cheese in my stomach can feel this hike. Cass, if you're a big hot girl, I would kiss you right now. You're okay. I said if you're a big hot girl, I would kiss you. Okay. I know you lost Cosmo nails. Bro hug. Yeah, bro hug. I guess I'll just hug you guys. Any other people here that are mean, you know, they're all doing some stuff. Some nice stuff, I guess. Wow, this is so amazing. I did a good job. Gas, you don't have a mouth. I'm just joking. Not gay.
Are you?
Said that. Jeez, my eardrums. But this is really beautiful, Amy. Yeah, Sonic. Oh my god, this is so perfect! Oh, it is a pretty oopsie moment. Ooch. Oh, oh. I never really thought I would do this, but look, Davey, just because it's a really beautiful night, and I kind of forgot about you today. You know, I'll make it up to you. How? I kind of like this, I guess.
Get the blankets.
There you go. There's the
Yes, I got the
Amy, you know
That's
what?
why we shouldn't have left.
You know what, Amy?
We want to mess grand finale.